So let us talk about female infertility. Female infertility in Ayurveda is a separate session that is called as Vandyatva. What all are the causes of female infertility or Vandyatva according to Ayurveda? It is because of the decreased quality of the ovum due to some disease condition like PCOS, and thereby there will be hormonal imbalances. And the second thing is the deteriorating reproductive health as well as the general health, and the third thing is the stress related things. So how Ayurveda addresses these kind of factors? So Ayurveda addresses these kind of factors through a holistic approach as Shodhana Karma as well as Shamana therapy. So in Shodhana therapy, the first thing to start is the Purva Karma, or in that we will give medicines for enhancing the digestion as well as the metabolism. And then comes the Pradhana Karma, which include the Panchakarma procedures like Vamana, Virechana, Vasti, Nasya and Uttarabasti. So Uttarabasti is a very important procedure in case of female infertility. Though all other procedures are important, but this is a specific procedure that is done especially in case of female infertility kind of cases. And then comes the Shamana therapy. So in Shamana therapy, what will focus to improve the general health as well as to the reproductive health, and also will advise dietary modification and lifestyle modification, and also some kind of seasonal regimens that is called Ritucharya, and daily regimens of Dinacharya, and special menstrual regimens that's called the Ritumati Charya. So by following all these things, a particular woman can achieve a good fertility, and this is the way how Ayurveda approaches infertility. Thank you.